Students, today we're going to learn EVS 1 directions and maps. In third standard, you have already learned about main direction. Here you can see the lady facing the sun. The direction the lady faces the sun is east, and just behind her is the west where the sun sets. To her left hand, it's north, and to her right hand, it's south. These four direction you have already learned in third standard. So today we are going to learn sub-direction which comes in between this main direction. For example, north and east. The direction which comes between north and east is northeast. The direction which comes between south and east is southeast. And the direction which comes between south and west, southwest. And the direction which comes between west and north, it is northwest. If you see, children, all these four sub directions starts with north or south. To make it more clear, let's see these pictures. You can see different pictures. Can you tell where the clock is, which direction? Yes, it is in the north direction. Where is the house? The house is in the south direction. Where is the pond? It's in the east direction. Where is the tree? It's in the west direction. Let's see sub direction. Where is the fort coming between north and east? Northeast. Mountain coming between west and north? Northwest. Then street lamp coming between south and east? Southeast. The well coming between south and west? Southwest. So these are the four main directions and the sub directions, children. I hope it's clear. Let's move on to the next part. This is compass rose, which shows you the direction and the sub directions in your environment. And same this compass rose on the map, it is shown like this, which shows the direction and the subdirection in your environment. Okay, so let's move on to the next one now, children. Now here you can see one house. The distance between one house and the other house is asked. It may be 8 kilometers, it may be 10 kilometers, but you can't show it on the map. Map is small, it's in the paper. You can show it, you can't show it on the map. Like for example, if you want to draw different pictures and houses and mountains, how do you do it? You draw in a piece of paper the size in which this fits in. Same way, when you want to show the distance between one house and the other house, how to show it? So on the map there is a scale given. On that scale it is measured as 1 centimeter is 1 kilometer. That means if in the map it is shown that one house to the next house the distance is 1 centimeter, that means it is 1 kilometer. So kilometer is shown in centimeters on the map. Okay, because it is in a piece of paper. Okay, so now let's move on to the next thing. Now in this map you can see, if you keep the compass rose in bead, if you keep it in bead, where will the Jalna be? Can anybody guess? If you keep it in bead, where will the Jalna will be? Jalna will be in which direction? Jalna will be in, can anybody guess? Jalna will be in the north. Okay, the next question. If this is kept in bead, where will Ahmednagar be? Where will Ahmednagar be? In the west. Now if compass rose is kept in bead, the next question is, where will Osmanabad be? Where will Osmanabad be? Can anybody guess? Osmanabad will be in the south. Now next question. Where will Latur be if it is in bead? Can anybody guess? Latur will be in the between south and, can anybody guess? It will be between south and east. It is southeast. Okay. Now the next question. Where will Aurangabad be? Aurangabad will be between north and west. That is northwest. Where will Parbhani be? Parbhani will be between north and east. So it will be in the northeast. Okay, children. Now let's move on. Suppose if you keep compass rose in the middle of the Maharashtra state, in the middle of the map in Maharashtra state, where will Mumbai be? If you keep compass rose in the middle, Mumbai will be on the west side. Mumbai will be on the west side. Okay, children. So it's a revision time now. Let's move on.